In table series, now we'll see how to write a series of 1. So 1 is very, very easy. Suppose you have to write a table of 21. So here, this side you write table of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Instead of 10, you write 0 and carry 1. And now this side you write 2 table. So it is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and instead of 20, write 21. And this is the table of 21. Similarly, we can write any table of the numbers ending with 1. Let's see how to write 51. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Instead of 10, you write 0 and carry 1. 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50 plus 1 is 51. This is in this way you can write any table ending with 1. So we have already done series of 9. You can watch that video also.